Hello and welcome. My name is Declan. I mainly do videos on about the stock market on this channel. If you've never been here before, I also hopefully have my sound upgraded. I have a Blue Yeti microphone. I have it for a while now, but I hadn't been using it correctly, and I did a good lot of rejigging with it at the weekend, and have it going through a different port, and just adjusted the sound settings and things like that. So I'll just plonk it down here beside me. So hopefully that has improved the quality of the sound going forward. So right now I'm just on Google's 4-hourly chart, stock market chart. Google are releasing their earnings report later today. As far as I know, it's after the market closes. So you can see on the 4-hourly chart, Google hit highs of around the 150 mark, and now it's trading at 105.69. So if you want to test out the earnings calendar and what companies are releasing earnings, I'll just show you what to do. So I'm just here on tradingview.com, and you go into the earnings calendar in TradingView, and you can see here that Microsoft and Google are both they're both releasing earnings today, and some of the companies like Coca-Cola have already released their earnings and their results are out. Their estimated earnings was 0.67. They reported 0.70, so that's a beat of 0.3 earnings per share and a surprise of 4.71%. So yeah, things have improved for Coca-Cola on the revenue beat as well. But because Microsoft and Google, they're not actually out yet, but they will be. So you can check out also tomorrow who's releasing earnings tomorrow. So yeah, one of the major ones releasing tomorrow on the 27th of July is Meta, or Facebook platform. So Google, Microsoft and Meta are very important. This is a very important week now for earnings with these three. And then later on in the week, Amazon and Apple are also releasing earnings. So just go into this website, tradingview.com. You can also look at charts and everything. It's a very good website. But for today, I'm just focusing on the earnings calendar. And as you can see, Google, Meta, Google, Microsoft, Shopify is also releasing earnings, Meta, Amazon and Apple. So the major tech giants of Google, Microsoft, Meta, Amazon and Apple, like between the interest rates, uncertainty and on inflation and everything, hopefully this week now will give a bit more certainty to the markets and a bit more clarity going forward. Well, all depending on how these companies do overall with their earnings this week. But yeah, this week is a very important week. So if you ever want to keep an eye on your earnings, just go into tradingview.com. And as you can see, I have the earnings calendar here, and you can go into, you can see, as I said, yesterday's earnings, today's, tomorrow's, this week, next week. And you can also go into, it can either be, this is the US stock market. You can go into Australia, Argentina, Brazil, UK, whichever markets you want to check out. They're all there. So yeah, I'd highly recommend TradingView if you want to keep an eye on what earnings are coming up this week. And as I said, this week is a very important one because the major tech companies, and this will have a major impact on the markets in the next few weeks, how these companies do this week. So I hope you found this video interesting, and that you know where to go if you want to be up to date now. So thanks for watching, and please hit the like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thanks again.